Our top story, polling is underway for 55 seats in the fourth and penultimate phase of the Bihar elections with over 700 candidates in the fray. The polling percentage till 10 a.m. was almost 19%. The stakes are quite high for the BJP as the party along with its then ally, the JDU, had bagged a majority of seats here in the last assembly polls in 2010. Back then, the BJP had won 26 out of 55 seats spread across the 7 districts of Muzaffarpur, East Champaran, West Champaran, Sitamarhi, Shiohar, Gopalganj and Siwan. But the scenario has changed this time round. From the Grand Alliance camp, the RJD has fielded candidates in 26 constituencies, the JDU in 21 and the Congress in 8. From the NDA, on the other hand, the BJP has fielded its nominees in 42 seats, the LJP in 5 and the Hindustani Awam Morcha and the Rashtriya Lok Samta Party in 4 seats each. The run-up to the fourth phase has seen high-voltage campaigning that often turned quite bitter and personal, with both camps accusing each other of trying to polarize voters along communal lines.
We are in Bihar's Muzaffarpur town right now. The fourth phase of voting in the Bihar elections is taking place. In the last 3 phases, you've had a lot of women who've come out to vote even right now. Although the booth is empty, but many women are coming out to cast their vote. It's an interesting fact. This is an interesting thing to watch actually. आपका नाम क्या है मैम? रेखा जी, बताइए, अभी हम कुछ और महिलाओं से बात कर रहे थे तो उन्होंने कहा कि और महिलाओं की सुरक्षा का मुद्दा यहाँ पे काफी वो है।
महिलाओं का तो मेन मुद्दा है ही है, बट गंदगी भी और उसी क्या कहते हैं जैसे लड़कियों का मतलब महिलाएं हुई वो तो सारा गंदगी और ये लूटपाट 2-3 चीजें मेन मुद्दा यही है। हम चाहते हैं अच्छा सरकार रहेगा तो काम अपने से अच्छा होगा। बस जी।
लूटपाट से आपका क्या मतलब है? जैसे रोड पे चलते हैं तो प्रॉब्लम होती है?
बिल्कुल एकदम से लेडीज चल नहीं सकती हैं, जैसी चेन कुछ भी पहनी हुई है। मतलब अपना देश आजाद है, क्यों है? आदमी आजादी से रह ही नहीं पा रहा है। लेडीज को तो सबसे ज्यादा कष्ट है। मान लीजिए वॉक के लिए जा रहा है आदमी तो चेन पहना हुआ है, चेन ही खींच लिया।
There is this very interesting thing about how these women, so many women are coming out to cast their vote. In the last 3 phases also they've outnumbered the men, and we are hoping this will also be the case this time around. With camera person Manoj Kumar, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.